itsura ng lugar. Sobrang ganda kasi kitang-kita mo yung sunset. Hi mga Zoom! Sorry about my voice. Medyo napuyat na kagabi sa GMA's party. Pero okay naman. Mahaba ang tulog ko. Alam niyo yun, pag mahaba yung tulog, talagang pagod. Hindi ko maintindihan yun. Nasobrahan. Ngayon, alam niyo, dumating na ang mga in-order nating pintura from Rain or Shine. Kaya gusto ko makita natin kung ano yung magiging effect niya sa house. Ngayong araw, pupuntahan namin yung bahay para kami mismo ang magta-try ng mga pinadala nila na pinili naming colors. On the way kami ngayon sa bahay, galing na kami sa paghahatid ng mga bata. Si Andy nag-take out coffee na lang somewhere here dahil umaambon. Ayan, medyo makulimlim mga Zoobs. Kaya kung nasan mo kayong lupalot ng Pilipinas, sana kayo ay mag-iingat dahil maulan. Feeling ko hanggang ano lang yan. Hindi yan masyadong lalakas. Sana. Anyway, ito na. Malapit na kami sa bahay. And hindi na kami makapag-antay makita yung mga pintura in-order namin. Kasi kami ngayon ay on the way na sa Okada. May i-check kaming events place para sa event na gagawin namin soon. Ayan, hindi kami na traffic. We are actually expecting na mata-traffic kami at this hour pero hindi kami na traffic. So, ito na. Ipapakita namin sa inyo. Sneak peek. Sana ito na yon para hindi na kami mahirapang pumili ng location para sa event na gagawin namin soon. Halika na. Let's check it. Ayan, we're here at Sharon's Lounge. Ito sa Okada. So, pagkagaling ng elevator, yun agad yung bubungad sa inyo. Toilet.
Are you ready?
Oh, wow!
Grabe, ang ganda oh. Oh, you run around.
Oh, nice! Of course. Ay, ang ganda. As is yan. Dito, ayan kasi yung view yung hinahabol ko. Ang ganda.
Wow, look at the view. What's there? There's another pool. Oh, this is where we stayed last time on the other side.
Yeah.
Remember?
And look at that.
And so this is the bar, drinking area. Grabe yung view ah. I know, there's so many, no? Naman.
Hi mga Zoobs! Eto na kami, nasa kotse na. Natapos na yung meeting namin with our our events coordinator and sa nag-handle din sa Okada. Marami na kaming napag-usapan tungkol sa gagawin naming event, and yun na nga, nakita nyo naman kung ano yung itsura ng lugar. Sobrang ganda kasi kitang-kita mo yung sunset. Hindi ako masyadong magbibigay ng details kasi aabangan natin yan kung ano pa yung magiging... Mommy, are we going to the airport? Yes, baby. No? Yes, kung ano pa yung magiging progress ng event.
Daddy, we're going to the airport.
So, I think meron naman din kayong clue, no? Kung may clue kayo dyan, pwede nyo namang i-drop dito sa mga comments and titignan natin kung tama.
Mommy, are we going to the airport now?
Yes, baby, because the airport is in front of the hotel. Huh? Of Hilton Hotel.
Oh.
Tungtuwa siya. Oh my God.
Where?
Pabalik na kami sa hotel. Inaantay na kami nila Alvi.
I missed it.
You missed it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is it
Sorry,
gonna
baby.
be faster?
May work kasi si Ima, kaya hindi namin naiwan yung mga bata sa kanya. Tapos tomorrow may taping siya. So, ayan na nga ang gagawin
natin. Is my mom not in the Hilton?
Not yet, because she's waiting for the laundry. Nasa kondo na si Ima kanina pa, but she's waiting for the laundry. Hindi pa daw tapos. Kailangan niyang... Yes, baby. Kailangan niyang antayin mga Zoobs dahil bukas
Daddy,
sarado.
Is the airport gonna land?
Yes, baby.
Okay.
Sarado yung
it will land.
laundry.
Yeah.
It will land to the thing.
Daldal.
Which way?
Anyway.
The way in the end to the Okada minutes. Okay. It's gonna be all the way in Okada. Okay.
You like that?
Can we go there?
Go there again.
And can my phone be flat?
Are you happier now, love? Still wander the city streets. It's getting easier with love. It's getting easier with...
Alright, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much to Rain or Shine for the beautiful paint. We have selected a few colors that we really like. So we have one that will cover pretty much 90% of the house, but then we have picked another color, which will be a surprise, for some accents on some of the walls, and we will be using other colors too. We just need to sort of decide on a final theme for the girls' room, but we pretty much have a good picture of how it's going to look like. It was another busy day for us. Actually, it's been a super busy week, and sadly we haven't been able to shoot too much because we've had to bring the kids everywhere, and it's been a little bit hard to sort of get footage. And I know the last couple of vlogs have been quite a bit shorter just because it's just been so hard to film. Everything's happening, then we have our friends at the hotel and we're hanging out with them, and we're just trying to enjoy the moment. So this last few vlogs have been a bit hard to get some good footage. Same with this one, but we were able to get some anyway because we are planning an event very, very soon, and we're very excited about it. It was actually unplanned, and when we stayed at Okada we had a dinner and some ideas sprouted from there, and that's how this whole ball got rolling. So now we're planning something, and you'll see it over the next few weeks, especially the next probably 4 weeks, I guess, in preparation. But we're very excited about it, and we hope you guys will be too. So it'll be professionally shot, but we'll probably have some behind the scenes, and yeah, it's going to be a big celebration. So thank you so much, guys, once again for watching the vlog. We always appreciate you. Make sure you comment below, and Dinah will get back into the vlog soon. It's just that she's been really busy with work, and we've been busy fixing other stuff on the side. So thank you for the support, guys.